Wanna fights. They're fighting. Oh, they're not happy.
They're not happy. If one charges me, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh.
Can we at least get to the other side of them so this one doesn't take off and
Go ahead.
run into me?
Yeah, same time, it's on everywhere, but I didn't see any last time we were Western.
Okay.
Thank you. You listen to heckle forever.
I'm all fogged. Oh. Wow, look at him. Oh, real deal Iggy fight. Check it out. Oh, no kidding. They're not messing around. This is my sunspot. You're a little smaller there, Mr. Happy Pants. Yeah.
He instigated it all.
I know. And now he's leaving. He's like, alright, my bad, dude. Oh. Like, yeah, that's right. You go over there. I'm staying right here. Sweet. Hey, he helped you out there, bud. Catch you later.